Over 1,000 students will answer the question, what will you make to improve life on this planet?
What you're building here today isn't just a science project. It's a prototype for change. Whether it's an invention that cleans air, saves energy, connects people, or feeds family, it all starts with a spark. And that spark is already inside of you.
Students take to the spotlight to share their ideas, opening doors to what's possible beyond the classroom, empowering students to see themselves in the future of innovation.
Your ideas matter. Your work matters. And your voice, your generation's voice, is exactly what this planet needs.